In this video, I will show you how to double exposure on Snapseed. First of all, let's open Snapseed. Then let's click on a picture. Now let's go to Tools. If you scroll down below, you will see double exposure on the second last line. Click on it. Then press Add. Then you can add an image. Then press Done. Now this double exposure menu bar will open. Now you can adjust the opacity on which photo do you want to be more visible. You can lighten it. You can also darken it. You can drag the picture around. You can subtract it. And that's it. That's how you use a double exposure feature on Snapseed. You can tick mark it to confirm it. Then you can export it. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.